are here and going to Kote Betta by 4-wheel drive jeep. So these are the Neelakurunji flowers that we came to see, and the whole place is purple. I will take a drone shot, so just wait a minute. So this is the jeep that we came in. So if you can see, this whole place is blue, and this is the Neelakurunji, that is Kote Betta. So for the guys who watched my last Coorg series, that place was covered in mist. So before the wind becomes more, I'll just show you guys this place. Okay, so for the people who don't know anything about this flower, even I don't, but yeah, apparently these bloom once in 12 years. That's right, 12 years, 1 and 2. So yeah, lucky to be watching this. Yeah, I don't know if the GoPro is picking up all the blue colors, but yeah, I will try and checklist for the trip done. Neelakurunji. So let's head out. We're going, a jeep is here. Get in, Ram.
Careful this side.
Yes. Okay. They're coming really fast and I'm scared. Are you scared? Going really fast. I don't know if you guys can make out. Start in time lapse. Okay, back to the car. So back to the stay. We have other people coming in. So we just came back from Kote Betta and we just had our lunch, heavy lunch. So now, since we are awake from morning, we'll go pass out. So actually the weather today is amazing. It was gloomy yesterday, but today there's a lot of blue skies. Good morning guys, welcome back to What's Rakesh Up To. So today is day 3 in Madikeri. So it's 7 in the morning, and this is how this place is for now. It's full foggy, and I think it's drizzling. So me and my friend thought we'll go out for a small hike. So thought I'll do that. So again, yesterday what happened was we finished Kote Betta, we came back, and I didn't want to vlog after that, so I just wanted some time where we just do whatever we want. So we kind of did that, so I couldn't vlog much. But yeah, in this weather, this place is next level. Where a level machi. Just look at it. So my friends have already gone there, so I thought so actually went to the room to get this is one of the few treats I like to eat when I'm on cheat meals. So again, for the people who think like if you have questions on my diet during trips, I do not have a diet during trips. So I make sure that I enjoy the trip to the fullest, and that means having good food. So so we decided to walk to a place where you can see the river. I mean, we have a river right outside, but we wanted to see it from a different place. So that's the bridge we crossed yesterday. So we thought we'll go till there. So this is little off-roading you'll have to do to get to the place. So there was a road here, but during one of the floods, everything got washed away. There was water literally till there. So I think this year there was no much flooding type of rain happening in Karnataka, so I think it's all fine. So we decided to go near the river. So we just thought we'll go near the river, but this is a very scary, slippery place. So I'm being extra careful because I usually fall here and there because of my chappals, not because of me. So I took the longer route. My friends got down there only. Don't wear slides and then come to such places. Learn something from me. Do not do that. Bunny, ಹೋಗೋಣ breakfast. So So the hot water would be ready, and the plan is to just take bath, have some breakfast and leave. So I mean, whatever we wanted to cover in this trip we did, so nothing else left. So I'll packed up and we're ready to go. We also had breakfast, so now we'll just be heading out. So this is the room, very pretty basic room, and it's a place to sit. So heading out of this place, we just checked out, and so I came to this place called I don't know the place. Honnamma Kere. Okay, Honnamma Kere. This is the Honnamma Devi temple, and this is the lake. So the views are beautiful here. So this is a man-made reservoir, is what the people at the homestay told us. So it is very close to Somarpet. Final stop for the day. So very boring drive from the place. So we just stopped in here, Coffee Day. So just grab some coffee and then probably head out.